This conference will now be recorded.
Full form of this grep is global regular expression pattern. Okay, so this is the full form, and related to this grep, another two extension also there. One is E grep and another is F grep. Okay, so the full form of E grep is extended regular expression pattern, and full form of this F grep is fixed global regular expression pattern. So nowadays this E grep and F grep, those are combined or refined with this grep only. In grep only everything is added. If we go back to 20 years old software versions, in that separately it was there. Grep separate, F grep separate, E grep separate command. But nowadays all those are merged. Unnecessary 3-4 commands, then it is getting confused. So they merged all those in grep only. So no need of these two nowadays. One is enough. Okay, so what is the main use of this grep command? It will search a pattern. Any pattern means one text, one word, that is called as pattern. So that pattern it will search wherever it is matching within a file, then it will find out. That is the main task of this. So we have suppose one file. We can do one thing, ls minus lrt we can take, and whatever output it will give we can store into a file. From that some pattern we can search. Okay, increasing the size. Zoom in. Okay, after restarted, this IP address is coming today, so we can take this input T. We can use that. Okay, so ls minus lrt. These are displaying here. These are the output. So I'm just keeping that into a file. After some time, we'll discuss how to keep that. Grep.txt. Clear that. Now cat grep.txt. What it will display? These are the content. These are the content from here. Whatever it is there in ls minus lrt, those are placed here in grep.txt file. So these are few contents, few lines are there. Don't confuse. You can consider these as a content now, because if you will type Ram is a good boy or those type of things, it will take some time. That's why shortcut we used. Otherwise, for your practice, you can keep some content also. Any document is there or anything you can take from Google or anything, you can copy paste and create a file. Now these contents which available here, we can search using grep. So grep is the command name. Then what we are going to search, that we can write within double quote. Suppose we are going to search June, Jun. This is case. Unix is always case sensitive. So capital J is there, so it will search capital J. If you are giving here small j, it will not work. Then what is the file name? Grep.txt. This is the syntax only. So grep is the command name. then which pattern or which word, which text we are going to search from this file, that pattern we can give within double quote. Then file name we have to give grep.txt, and this file name is present in our current working directory, so no need of path. If you are present in some other directory and you are giving this file, then we have to mention path with the file name. Enter. Now what it will display, wherever June is present, JUN, the string JUN is present, those lines only it will display. Other lines not displaying. MAY may also there, not displayed. MAR also there. FEB also there. FEB, those are not displaying. Only JUN related it is displaying. Similarly, if you will give here MAY, in which line MAY is containing, those lines only it will display. Now these are the lines where MAY is present. Okay, now if you will give M small, nothing is there. Small MAY is not present in this file, so nothing is displaying. Because this is purely case sensitive, not only this command. Unix, Linux is purely case sensitive. Small means small letter, capital means capital letter. It will not ignore. Now, if we want to ignore that capital, small letter, anything is present, we want to display. It can be uppercase, it can be lowercase, it can be combined, it can be anything. So in that case, for grep command, one option is there, -I. It will ignore the case sensitive. Now it is displaying. M is there, capital display. Any small m is there, nothing is there. If any small m also it will be present, then it will display that, no issue. Now in this grep, few other parameters also there. One is I and another is C. Now I we have not given, so M capital letter we have to give. So how many are matching, that count it will display. C for count, in how many lines it is matching. So you can count here 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in 16 lines, it is matching this MAY pattern. It is displaying 16. C for count of lines, not count of text, count of lines. Okay, suppose in one line, 3 times MAY is present, then it will take count as one only. This is line count. It will take the count in how many lines that pattern is present, that count it will take. Total how many times it is present it will not take. In how many lines it is present, that it will take. That is C. Another is N.
Sir, I have a doubt here, sir.
Okay.
We are using -C, sir. So can we use both the -C and I?
Yes. Any parameter you can combine also. In second or third class we discussed that now. LRT, LS, LRT we are giving. Any number of parameters you can plug. Okay, now N we have given. Then we can give another one. C. Okay, so N you are giving, then what it is displaying? Line number also it is displaying 26 line number. So in starting line it is displaying which line number it is with colon, then the content it is displaying. So before displaying the content, this is the line number. These are the line numbers. MAY is present, MAY string is present. Now N and C if you will give, then both will combine, but the thing is N means line number, it is displaying with all the lines, but C is total count only. So how it will display both? In that case it will be inappropriate. So whenever you are combining the parameters, more than one parameters, then in that case you have to think it is appropriate or not. So count means it will display in one line or output, but -N means it will display all lines with line number. So how it will be combined? That is inappropriate thing. So here -N is ignored, only C output is coming. Okay, now if you are giving IC or IN, that can be combined. Here M you are giving in small letter, Okay, so capital also it will take, small also it will take. I can work. Along with line number we want to display n we have given, that will work. So whenever you are combining more than one parameters or options, you can just think whether that is a valid one or not. It is not like that blindly you are giving, then it will work, it will display. Why it is not displaying? That question will come. Not like that. So you have to understand first, if it is combining, then how it will combine, appropriate or not. Okay, so minus n minus c. Another is minus v. Minus v. So what it will do, minus v, which are not present this text, those lines it will display. So may is not present, those lines it will display. Wherever mar is present, jun is present, or some other are there, jan, fev, those it will display. May where it is present, it will not display. It will ignore this text wherever it is present, that line, and other lines it will display. That is minus v. Now you can see may is not coming. Jun, apr, then mar, then fev, mar, that only it is coming. That is minus v. Again, if you want to see any more parameters are there, just check man grep command. It will display all parameters for all commands are not required, which are important, frequently used in any project, real time interview questions, that only need to do practice and cover. So minus v done. E is for extended, so that is like e grep. Now in grep only minus e option if you will use, then it will use same thing only, no need of e grep nowadays. F, G, P, those are not required. Matching control E, F, I already covered. E, F also not required. V, W, X, Y, C already done. Okay, so many are there. All those are not required. Okay, so that only. Now grep minus V, we can give here small m. What it will come? May will come or not?
Since no, sir, nothing will come, sir, because case sensitive.
Minus V we have given. If you are not giving minus V, then nothing will come, case sensitive. If you are giving minus V, then what it will come? What is the use of minus V?
Apart from May, all other like June, the things will be displayed.
Okay, so this M small letter we have given, but small letter of May is not present. So now what it will come? Apart from May, June, April, all those things it will come, but this May will come or not? It will come or not?
May will come, sir. May will come, sir.
Okay, so why it will come? May we have given already.
No, sir. Actually, it's a case sensitive, no, sir. So we have given small m, so that
Okay.
if there is any small m, it won't come, sir.
Okay. Yes. So if any MAY small is there and small m, then it won't come. Okay. Now I have executed. You can see May is coming. May is coming. Now suppose if you will give here VI, then what it will come? Now this May will come or not?
No, sir. It won't come.
Okay. Because ignore case sensitive we have given I. So that can be included with small m, capital M, everything. This MAY can be small or it can be capital letter or it can be mixed, anything. It will ignore the case sensitive. Now May will not come. Okay, so this is the use of grep, how to do. Now another one is grep grep minus e. Two pattern we can search. This is extended grep, e grep. Instead of e grep, we can use only grep with minus e parameter. Previously it was not there, old time, 20-15 years before. Now it is included. So two things we can search. One is JUN and another is MAR or APR. From which file? grep.txt. Capital E. Okay, not small e, capital E. So capital E, if you are giving, then multiple pattern it will search. Capital E is for multiple pattern. APR is one pattern we are searching, and MAR is another pattern we are searching. So wherever in any line MAR is present, it will display MAR, 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 MAR. Anywhere APR is there, that also it will display. So what is this meaning? Either or. Either APR string or MAR string. Anything is present, then it will display. Anyone. Both are present, also it will display. One is present, also it will display. Another is present, also it will display. Either or, A or B. So in another way also it can be written E grep. grep.txt. Same thing it will display. MAR, 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 APR. Okay, so here two commands are there. One is egrep related, egrep using, and another is only grep. So egrep if you are writing, then parameter no need to give, and only grep if you are writing, then parameter need to give. If multiple pattern search you are doing, grep minus capital E. After that you can write this. And multiple pattern if you are writing here to search, then APR means some string you can give. One string, pipe symbol, another string, again pipe symbol. How many pattern you are going to search? No limitation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20. Any number of pattern you can search by using this. Within double quote, multiple pattern, and each pattern completed means give one pipe symbol. This is the syntax. Finally, file name, that is common only. So this is the older one. Now new one came, one parameter they have given with minus capital. Both will work same only. Now this is your choice. This is not removed, but in some versions they can remove also, because already this is added. So why both will be present, they can remove also. In few versions they already removed this one. Okay, in some versions this is not present. The older one only they have placed. Okay, so this is about grep. So what are those parameters? C for count of lines, then V for ignore the matched lines, and display other lines, that is V parameter. I, what is that? Ignore case sensitive. And another is N. All parameters you have to write with minus symbol. Display with line number. Okay, so these are only main 4 parameters, and minus E if you are giving capital E,
either or,
then multiple pattern, either or. Okay, so these 5 only you can remember, other are not required. Okay, wherever it is required, very rare cases, if you are getting somewhere, you can check from main command also. These 5 are only important, you can remember for interview as well as for your working purpose. Now, any doubt from all these?
No, sir.
Okay, now can I ask question? You can try using this grep only.
okay, sir.
Okay, you can try. Another concept is there, we'll complete, then I will ask this that question. So another concept is wildcard character in grep. Everything very clearly, systematic way it is mentioned in that document material. 30-40 year experience guys who are expertise in this Unix, they also reviewed that and they are publishing. So you can collect, everything is present. It is mentioned all these details. Wildcard in grep, one is caret symbol and another is dollar symbol. Caret symbol means that is for starting or beginning. Beginning of a pattern. It is ending of a pattern. How to write? Grep is the command name. Then within double quote we are writing grep.txt is the file name, suppose. Then what we are searching, suppose one character we can give. Starting with means any line is there that is starting with a character, that only we want to display. After that it can be anything, but starting character should be a. This is called as caret symbol or cap symbol. So we have to give this cap symbol. Cap symbol a means which lines are starting with a character, that only it will display. Or multiple, if you are giving a, b, c, like that we have to write. So which lines are starting with a, b, c, those lines only it will display. That is caret symbol. Now another is dollar symbol. So which are ending with some character, in that case we have to give that dollar symbol. So how to write? After this we have to write dollar. So which are ending with ABC, that only it will display. It will search the lines. This is for searching purpose. Grep is a command. It will search the pattern or string or text within a file, not in directory. Directory, no pattern, no content, nothing is there. In file only contents are there. Within a file only it will search. Okay, so grep, this is for beginning search, this is for ending search. So what it will be ending? Ending with ABC. Those lines only it will search. Only one character you are giving. Then only ending with C. ABC, ABC. That only. So here some confusion is there. Many are doing mistake. If starting, then first you can give this symbol. If ending, then in ending you can give this symbol, not in starting. So many people are giving in starting only. Both are starting. So this is some problem. Just remember some confusion type syntax they have given. Starting means caret symbol you have to mention in starting only, and for ending you have to use this dollar symbol you have to mention in ending within double quote. Okay, so now if you will see here sh, some .sh file are there. We want to search which are in last line of this file name are present. So which are ending with .sh or sh only, those we want to search. So what to write? sh dollar, that file name. Okay, so all are displaying which are having sh ending sh. Okay, now one file we can create, cat Unix and Linux both are operating system. Unix. Okay, when we are writing in capital letter Unix. Then another we can write Linux also good operating system. We are learning shell script. Okay, here Linux capital letter we have given. This is capital letters, small letter init cap. Now another we can give only small letter. Okay, we can save now. So what are the contents? If we want to see cat file name, these are the contents available in this file. How many lines are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 lines are there. Okay, now if you will check how many Unix word is there. Unix grep1.txt -c, only one. Unix, U capital, only one is there, it is showing. You can just check. One. This is purely capital, so not considering. Only Linux. Small one, not considering. Okay, so only one it is getting. Now you can count with case sensitive. Ignore that. Now three are coming. What are those three? This is also taking. This is also taking 2. Anywhere it is there. Okay, here also 3. Purely this is lower case. One is uppercase and another is init cap. All type of combinations it is taking. That is I. So total count is 3. Okay, now another we have given grep which are starting with one character. Suppose we can give starting with S. We want to display. One line is there, 2 lines are there, capital S. Shell program is used with Linux command. Shell script is combined with Unix as well as Linux commands only. So which are starting with S, that it is displaying because we have given S here. No. What we have given only S means wherever S is present, those lines it is displaying. Now, if we want to display which are starting with S, then this caret symbol we have to give. So here these 2 lines will come which are starting with S. Only 2 lines are there in this file. Cat grep1.txt. Out of all these lines which are starting with S, last 2 lines are starting with S, that it is displaying. Okay, so this is only about grep command. Any doubt from anywhere in this grep? If no doubt clear, then we will discuss a few questions.
Sir, I have a doubt in wildcard entry, sir, characters. So
Okay.
basically, basically the word should starts with ABC, and it should end with Z, sir. I want to retrieve the both combinations, sir.
Both you can write them. Starting with, suppose one character you can give A. And after that it can be anything, means star. Again it can be end with Z. After that you can give this dollar symbol. So ending with Z, starting with A, and in middle it can be anything.
Okay.
Star, it can take anything. So
Okay,
if
sir.
confusion some are coming, it is not working, better to give within this single braces, so that you are searching only this character for this starting character. It will not consider. Otherwise, some other characters are there, that also it will take. One, it can be one, it can be two, it can be three, anything. That's why if multiple characters you are writing within this grep, within this double quote, confusions are coming. So to avoid all those confusion, system also it will not understand, it will conflict. Better to keep this symbol within parentheses. So only A it will search, which are containing in starting character, and here also only Z it will search, which are ending.
Yes, sir. Sir, we are giving some particular text, right, sir, here. So I don't want this particular text, sir. I want to, for example, in the dictionary, we have 20 files. So in the 20 files, I need to say this, like this, sir.
20.
For example, sir, in the dictionary, which we are using, PWD, present working directory, there are 20 files, sir. In the whole 20 files, I want to search this word, sir.
Yes.
If this word is matched, yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, so here instead of this one file, you have to mention all those 20 files. Or suppose in your present working directory, whatever files are there, it can be 20 files, it can be 30 files, whatever it may be. For all you are going to search, then star you can. For all files it will search. And only .txt extension related files you are searching, then star.txt you can. Other files it will not search. So exactly one file you are giving, then one file only it is used for searching. So here multiple files you are giving, multiple file it will search. Again, paths are different also, you can mention. A is one directory, under that star.txt you can search. B is one directory, under that star.sh files you can search. Like that also you can do. So this is one file, this is another file. And here also it is not one file, star you have given. So multiple files under A directory. In that way also you can give. Okay, any other question? More question you are asking means more experience you will get, more clarity you will get. No question, you will know not clear. Okay, any more questions? Okay, everything is fine.
Okay. Yes, we are good, sir. Sir, apart from this, I have another question, sir.
Okay.
Like, yeah, like we are running the workflows in workflow manager, sir. So whatever workflows we are running now, sir, the workflows outputs are storing in this Unix, sir. So how they are giving connection, sir?
Connection, that is different thing. Unix with connection to Informatica, those admin people they will do the connection part. So if you are searching something, checking, then you can directly use this Unix related stuff. Log file you are checking, or any error related you are checking.
Yes, sir. Log files and everything is, storing in this Unix only, sir. Any reasons, sir, why they are storing in Unix only?
No,
why can't they storing in?
Compulsory. It is not compulsory in Unix only. It will be stored. It can be stored in Windows also in any server. That is project requirement. If they are using or liking or client is demanding in Unix, you can store. They can store in Unix operating system. They can store in Windows operating system also. Or if client is asking, both you can store. One copy in Unix, one copy in Windows. Both also they can store. That is project specific.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now first question you can tell how to display only the files. Not directory. You know many commands. Till now, whatever we discussed, use those. Grep also you can use and try this answer. How to display only files, only current directory you can take from current directory. One you will able to do, then other also you will able to do. How to display only directories.
Star .txt is for files, all files.
Where .txt is file. A is not a file. X is not a file. SS is not a file. In Unix, no extension. Already first or second class we discussed, or third class. Extension specific meaning is not available in Unix operating system. In Windows it is there. .doc means Word document. .ppt means PowerPoint document. .xls means Excel document. Those concepts are available in where exe means executable file. .bin means binary file. All those are available in Windows operating system. But coming to Unix operating system, it can be any name, with extension, without extension, then any kind of extension you can give, no problem. It will consider as a file, simple file. For our understanding, we are giving .txt. It will be easy to understand. We kept some content. For our understanding, we are giving .sh. So easily it can be understandable that okay, we have written some shell program in that .sh extension file. That is for user friendly we are giving. That is not compulsory. A can be a file, a.sh can be a file. Capital A can be a file, small a can be a file. Anything you can give for directory and file, no confusion. Okay, now you can search how to display only files. How to display only hidden files.
So we can use ls command.
Okay, good.
ls
Continue.
-a.
How to display only linked files. Link topic also we discussed. One you are able to do, then all four you can able to. All are same only. And one question must you will get from these four. Any interview you can do. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
ls-f for
ls-f. Okay, first check which are directory, which are files. Which are having this forward slash, those are directory. Already we discussed ls-f. Now you can just, these are the input pipe symbol you can use. Sorry, these are the output of ls-f. So this output you can use as an input. Instead of giving a file name, you can use this as an input, and then you can extract or do the pattern matching using grep command. Here everything is coming. ls-f, not only files are coming, directories also there. This is a directory, this is a directory, this is a directory, this is a directory, directory. This is not only files. Our question is, it should display only files, not directory. That is the question. Direct parameter is not available. If direct parameter is not available, then we have to write a script. What is script? Script is the combination of multiple commands with multiple parameters in single line. That is called as a script, like English sentence. What is English sentence? Combination of multiple words with some grammatical thing. That is called as English sentence, which should be the meaningful. So here also, if you are writing script, that should be meaningful. Some output should give using commands. Now this is one command. One command, one parameter is not enough here because those type of options are not available. Now what to do? Till now it is correct. Use pipe symbol. Grep also I am writing. Now what to do? Double quote also I am writing. You can
Sir, we should ignore minus v, grep minus v,
minus v,
and
then
forward slash.
Forward slash. Very good, excellent. So just you can ignore wherever this forward slash is there, those pattern you can ignore. If you are ignoring other, it will display other files only. Only this what is that forward slash wherever it is present, those are directory. All these are files. Not a single forward slash you are getting. Okay, so how many files are there? How you will check now? Another script. Can you explain?
C.
What C?
Pipe
We
symbol.
can use
Grep
Pipe
hyphen
symbol
C.
C.
word count.
C.
Hyphen C, how it will work?
Hyphen C.
Any
Hyphen C.
command you have to give, no? Any command you have
Word
to
count, sir. WC.
give. WC. Then
So
minus L.
yeah.
So here all these are displaying in one line, one file, one line, one file, one line. This is the output. So this output you are taking into next level, next command. No need to give the file name. So how it is organized, how it is present, line by line. If you will find out how many lines are there, then those many number of files are there. WC minus L, what it displays, line count. Don't forget, from starting to ending, everything is correlated. Otherwise, you cannot learn Sanskrit. That's why 2-3 days break you can take, no problem. But you have to know all the commands, whatever we are discussing from starting. Don't upset any single class also. Okay, now WC minus L, very easy command. But if you don't know WC minus L, you will not recall. You cannot write this. Command is always required, all commands. Don't ignore this is a small command, that is advanced command, that is a complex command. Everything is required. Okay, WC minus L. Line count of all these output it will display. 46 files are there. Now same thing, can you try for directory? First display all the directory and then another you can extension you can do. How many directories are there? Two things you can do now.
Remove that minus v so that we can find out directory, sir. Minus v.
Very good. Which are containing with forward slash, those are directory. Only directory list you want. Don't give WC minus L. All these are directory. A, B, C, D, G, I, R, E, F, G, L, N, V, V, V. All these are directory. Now count also you need. How many directories are there? What to do? WC minus L. How many lines it is present? 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now how to display only the linked files? ls minus f, linked file also there. In link topic we discussed which is the link file, which are link file here, symbolic link.
At.
Okay, at the rate symbol. Now Punita, you can tell, display only the link files. Just small modification you can do.
Yes, sir.
What to do?
At symbol. We have to give at symbol.
Only one file it is coming. Any other is there? No. Okay, so if 4, 5, 7 are there, those list it will display. Only one is there. How many are there also we need? WC minus L. 1. Now for hidden files, can you tell? Who not told? Akshay, you can tell for hidden files how to. One question given means everything same only. Akshay, can you try? Yeah, learn very nicely. Any technology you are working fine. Testing, support, development, Hadoop, AWS, Azure, any technology. In market, you can remember those technology with Unix and script means good people, expertise. Candidates are not available in market. Remember, not available. If they are searching for 2,000, 3,000 candidates, maybe one or two are hardly they are getting. So if you are expertise anywhere, you can go any package you can demand they are giving. In 4-5 year experience, two persons got last 2-3 months. I cannot believe with Unix and script they did not find the candidate. They have given 16 lakhs package. No candidates available. Basic things everybody know. Basic things. Google is there, YouTube is there nowadays. Okay, so you can use this in your whole future. It will be helpful. Okay, Akshay, last you can tell. Everybody told hidden files. How you will search now? List out all the hidden files. Akshay, you are there? Okay, who can tell? Manojit?
For hidden files, we can use ls minus a, sir.
Okay. So first we have to find out ls minus a. Any hidden file is there or not. Okay. Which are starting with dot, those are hidden files. Dot b, dot a. Any other? Dot w. Okay. Now you can extend with grep.
Grep cap symbol.
We can use cap.
Sir, grep cap symbol.
Okay.
Dot.
Open bracket, open braces. Dot.
The only one character you are giving, so open braces not required. Multiple, then you can give that. This only.
Okay.
Yes.
Wherever others also coming. Others also
I think
coming.
only dot we have to give.
Only dot.
Only dot you are giving is wherever dot is present, those names it will come. So many are there. Dot 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 dot.
I think we can use
Okay.
grep star dot.
So dot if you are searching, which is a starting character, what is that? What you understand here? Starting line. If dot is present in first character in that line, then it will display. But are these are lines? ls you are using minus a. This is one line. This is one line. So if you are taking this as a line by line, is this a correct approach? First, you have to organize these output line by line. So how to display line by line? ls minus which parameter?
Yeah, ls minus a.
ls minus 1.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Line by line. In one line, one file. Don't forget, everything you can remember. Each and every class is important. Just 1 hour to 2 hour it is required every day for you. So ls minus 1 also already we discussed. Line by line it will display all the list of files and directories. Now these are line. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4, like that. Now hidden files is not displaying because A we have not given. A also you can give. Line by line, all the list of files it will display along with hidden files. Now hidden files also coming. .w, .b, .a. Few hidden files are coming. Now line by line it is there. Then you can use which contain dot in starting character, that you can take cap symbol dot. Okay, so here dot is representing with some other meanings also. So if you will give this backslash, then any other meaning is there, special meaning, it will ignore. Escape mechanism we discussed one class. You remember that? Echo with escape mechanism. My salary is 5,000, 10,000, all those we discussed. So any special meaning is there, you have to give this escape symbol, backslash, so that it will ignore other kind of meaning. So wherever dot is there, that only it is displayed. So these are the list. Okay, so first two that you can leave, that is coming everywhere. Dot and double dot, that is means directory structure only. Other than that, others are files only. These are only hidden files. How many hidden files are there now? How you will search? Punita, can you tell?
WC-L.
So how many lines it is there? It will display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is it correct? 5 files are there, hidden files. These two are not files. So what to do? Everywhere that is coming. If you will do here -3, -2, then it will work or not? No. So the output you can take, and then manually we can do the minus. Somebody is asking, then manually we can do the minus. Again, you can try by giving braces. It will work or not? -2. No. So if we are writing some program, we can use that. We can store this output in one variable. Then again, we can use that variable value and do the minus. Final answer we will get. Otherwise, in one line also, we can keep that variable, that we can assign, keep that result in one variable, and we can do the minus. So how we can do that? This output, suppose we want to store in a variable a equal to, and all these are commands and script. If commands and script are there, then what to do? Tick symbol we have to give, so that it will work. Direct command you are giving, then no need of tick symbol. After writing some characters, if you are writing some commands, a equal to, some characters are there. After that you are writing some commands, then it will not behave as a command. So to behave as a command, to understand as a command, what to write? Symbol. Tick symbol also we already discussed. Quoting mechanism, escape and quoting mechanism. You can just go through those. Now no error. So what is a? This output, how many are there? That 5 is stored in a. Now echo $a, if you are giving, then what it will display? 5. If you are doing now echo $a -2, then what it will display? 5 -2. Okay, so some other concepts are there. $a value, we will do the minus. Now without space you can give 5 -2. Okay, so other commands are there we have not covered. Just now I am telling here. So BC is one command that is used for calculation. So any calculation you are doing, this we are giving $a -2. So it is displaying 5 -2. So 5 -2 we need the calculation. So any calculation we will do, then just pipe symbol and BC you can, basic calculator. In Unix also one basic calculator is there, BC. Like in Windows CALC, if you are giving one calculator is displayed, we are calculating. Some Unix also given one calculator. Anything we are going to calculate. After that, you can give pipe symbol PC. Now it is 3. This is a script. Okay, so script is nothing but the commands only. If you don't know the commands and parameter, you cannot do any script. Okay, so since we already completed 20 rounds command 20 to 30, so parallelly we will do now onwards. Script command. Okay, now this all answers given using -f only. Any other you can do? Just think, except using -f, any other? ls -l, what is this? All the discussed topics you are not able to tell. If you will tell, then interest will come. What is ls -l?
Long
Here
list.
it will display line files.
Okay, so which are starting with hyphen, what are those?
Those are files.
Which are starting with L, what are those?
Those are links.
Which are starting with D?
Directories.
Now you can use grep. Multiple answers you can tell if you are getting in interview anywhere. One answer everybody telling, searching from Google, interview questions, Unix related, 10, 20 questions they are getting, attending interview. 2, 3, 4, 5, multiple answer you can give. Okay, so what to write here? If we want to display only files, then which are starting with hyphen symbol, those are files. All these are files only. Which are starting with D, those are directory only. Which are starting with L, those are linked file only. Which are starting with, okay, dot is not coming, so dot you can check here how to get LA. This last field we have to take, then only we can find out. So last field if you want to take, then we have to cut command we have not covered. Again we'll come back this question while we will discuss the cut command. So in cut command, this is one field, second field, third field, fourth field, fifth field, sixth field, seventh field. So which field we want to take? We can use cut field number. It will cut and display that field only. Other it will not display. Okay, so in these all answers you can do by using ls -l also. Okay, using ls -l you can get, using ls -f also you can get. So all these are scripts only, nothing but the scripts only. Okay, so now these are clear. Next question and we'll close for today.
Yes, sir.
Cat grep1.txt. See the contents carefully. We can take two words, Unix and Linux. Okay, we can do one thing otherwise. First, copy this into our notepad. Okay, so these are contents of grep1.txt file. These are the contents. In some line, Unix is there. In some line, Linux is there. In some line, it is in capital letter. In some line, it is in init cap, capital, init cap. only uppercase, only lowercase, only uppercase. So all type of combinations are there, and in some line Unix, Linux are not present also. In these 3 lines, no, in these 2 lines, Unix is not present, Linux also not present. Now the question is, display the line where Unix and Linux both are present. Both are present. Ignore case sensitive. Capital, small, combination, anything is there, you can take, no problem. But it should be present both. In starting, ending, consecutive, whatever it may be. Both words are present, then only you will take. So if you will consider here, which lines it will come? Okay, this line, both are present. It should come this line. Second line, no. Third line, no. Fourth line, no. This line, no. This line, only Linux, no. This line, Unix, Linux are there, yes. So these 2 lines should come. Can you try this now?
Sir,
Either or, already we did.
E, sir,
What is
E.
either or? E
E.
or E grep you can use. That is either or it is available. For and it is not available. No need to search in main command. I'm telling that is not available and. Now the question is for and. So if it is not available direct parameter, what to do? Script you have to write. What is script? Multiple commands. Which commands are appropriate here? Grep command. What symbol you have to give? 5 symbol. Any other command applicable? No, only grep only. Because you are searching. So one search you can do, not getting. Second search you can do. Second search, third search, fourth search, fifth search. At the end you will get somewhere. Okay, now you can try.
Sir, ls minus l.
ls minus l, why you will display? We need this file.
cat grep1.txt.
Okay. Cat grep1.txt. Then
5 symbol grep
grep
minus I
minus I.
here. You can give Unix
Unix.
pipe Linux.
Okay, so instead of writing cat grep.txt, you can write directly here also that file name. Okay, so first we can execute up to this. Step by step you can go. It will be easy to understand. Grep minus I, Unix, Linux, grep1.txt. Enter. What happened?
No output.
This is which file name? grep1.txt only file name. This will work.
Sir, minus E we should give, no, sir. 2 things we can search in minus E only, right?
No, minus C, that is for count only.
Minus C is count, sir.
No, we are not looking count. We are just searching. What happened?
Just
It
give
deleted.
minus is great.
It is there only. Maybe. Okay, grep only you have given now. E-grep that is. Either E-grep you can write or grep you are writing, then minus capital E you have to give. Like this.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm asking, sir.
E you are telling. Okay. C it was coming. Okay. E I also you can give. It will ignore the case sensitive, and E means multiple patterns. It will understand. Now it came. So wherever Unix or Linux are present, all those lines it is coming. So total how many lines was there earlier? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7, how many lines it is coming now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 2 lines, Unix, Linux, nothing is present. So first ignore that. Now from 7 lines to 5 lines we came. Now again you can extend. Try. Again you can filter. Now these are few lines where either Unix or Linux it is present. Now our main concentration is Unix and Linux both are present. Then only it will display. Little bit you can think. 50% done. But what to write? Now one you can search. So one you are searching. Then wherever this Unix is present, obviously it will display. Then from
Yes,
those,
sir.
again you can search Linux.
Again, pipe symbol.
Now how many lines are coming? 1, 2, 3. So wherever Unix is present, it is displaying. Unix, Unix, Unix. Now again you can extend. Linux also you can search. Out of all these, wherever Linux is present, that you are searching now. In one line, Linux was not there. 2 lines it is getting. Linux also there. So at the end, these 2 you are getting. That is our expectation.
No, sir. I think it won't work in real time. So basically, we are restricting the lines which are having Unix, sir. From that lines only, it is fetching Linux, right, sir?
Oh, from those lines only it is taking. As you found all the Unix related only.
Yes, sir. For example, if
Hmm.
in the some other line it is not containing Unix in the line, sir. For the other text, it is not containing Unix.
Okay, then it will
First,
not
we are
count.
restricting.
Then it will not count.
Yes, sir.
Our requirement is
Yes, sir.
both should there. Then there only it is
Okay,
not
sir.
counted.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Correct, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. So first combinedly you can take either or. Then anyone you can pick, Unix or Linux. Then again another one you can. We are restricting with Unix. So Unix related all those lines it will come. So from those lines,
Correct.
if Linux also there, then again we are taking. Which are not having Linux, those will be ignored. So finally, Unix plus Linux is coming.
Correct, sir.
Okay. So this is about grep. Now any kind of scenario will come related to this only. Nothing is there in Okay. So this grep again can be used in some other commands or scripting wherever it is required for searching the pattern in different way, different parameters. So you can go through all those. Very important concept.